So while the fireworks are going on, we're going to explain a little bit more of what's going on up here. In case you missed earlier, we have names. Mike on lead and vocals. I'm Nick on backup guitar. We've got Chris slapping the bass. And we got Nate hitting the drums. He's hiding in the back under the one canopy. So our next song is called Like a Disease. It's actually a new one, just written like maybe, 2 weeks ago. It's a little heavier, so any of you in the heavier rock taste, you'll like this one a little more.